Chapter 1. Introduction to GPT-3. GPT-3, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3, is a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI. It uses deep learning techniques to process and generate human-like text, making it capable of performing a wide range of language-related tasks, such as text completion, question answering, summarization, and more. GPT-3 is the largest and most powerful language model to date, with over 175 billion parameters. This allows it to generate high-quality text, understand context, and respond to a wide range of inputs. This makes it an attractive option for chat interfaces, as it can provide users with more accurate and helpful responses. The OpenAI API provides access to GPT-3, allowing developers to integrate its capabilities into their own applications, including chat interfaces. By using GPT-3, developers can create chatbots that can provide a more natural and human-like user experience. A. Overview of GPT-3 and its capabilities. GPT-3, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3, is a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI. It's capable of generating human-like text based on its training data, which includes a massive amount of text from the internet and various sources. GPT-3 can perform a wide range of language tasks, including text generation, question answering, summarization, language translation, and much more. It can also generate code, compose poetry, and even write articles. One of the most impressive features of GPT-3 is its ability to understand context and generate coherent and meaningful responses. This makes it a powerful tool for creating chatbots that can understand and respond to user queries, providing information, and handling customer service tasks. In addition to its language capabilities, GPT-3 is also highly flexible and can be integrated into a wide range of applications and platforms, including websites, mobile apps, and more. Overall, GPT-3 represents a major step forward in the field of artificial intelligence and has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. B. Understanding the benefits of using GPT-3 for chat interfaces. Using GPT-3 for chat interfaces can bring a number of benefits, including improved user experience. With its ability to generate human-like text, GPT-3 can create chatbots that can understand and respond to user queries in a natural and intuitive way. This can enhance the user experience and make it easier for users to find the information they need. Increased efficiency. Chatbots powered by GPT-3 can automate repetitive and time-consuming tasks, such as answering frequently asked questions, freeing up staff time to focus on more complex tasks. Personalization. GPT-3 can be trained on specific datasets and custom integrations can be added to the chatbot, allowing for a highly personalized experience for users. Cost-effective. Implementing a chatbot powered by GPT-3 can be a cost-effective solution compared to hiring additional customer service staff. 24/7 availability. Chatbots powered by GPT-3 can operate 24/7, providing users with quick and convenient access to information and support at all times. Data collection. Chatbots powered by GPT-3 can collect valuable data about user behavior and preferences, which can be used to improve the user experience and inform business decisions. In summary, using GPT-3 for chat interfaces can bring a range of benefits, including improved user experience, increased efficiency, personalization, cost-effectiveness, 24/7 availability, and data collection. Chapter 2. Obtaining an API key. Obtaining an API key is the first step to integrating GPT-3 into your chat interface. The API key provides access to the OpenAI API and its capabilities. Here's how to obtain an API key. Sign up for OpenAI. Go to the OpenAI website and sign up for an account. Review and accept terms of service. Read through and accept the terms of service for the OpenAI API. Find your API key. Once you have signed up and accepted the terms of service, you can find your API key in the OpenAI API dashboard. The API key is a unique string of characters that you will use to access the API and its capabilities. Keep your API key secure. Your API key is like a password, so it's important to keep it secure and not share it with anyone. You can regenerate your API key at any time if necessary. With your API key in hand, you're now ready to choose a platform for integrating GPT-3 into your chat interface. Top of form. A. Signing up for access to the OpenAI API. To sign up for access to the OpenAI API, follow these steps. Visit the OpenAI website. Go to the OpenAI website, https://beta.openai.com, and click on the Sign Up button. Create an account. Fill in the required information to create an account, including your email address, password, and name. Verify your email. OpenAI will send you a verification email. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Apply for API access. Once you have verified your account, navigate to the API access page and fill out the API access form with information about your project and how you plan to use the API. Wait for approval. OpenAI will review your API access request and will notify you of the status of your application via email. Note: API access to GPT-3 is currently in a limited public beta, and OpenAI may limit the number of API requests that can be made or restrict access to certain features. By following these steps, you can sign up for access to the OpenAI API and get started with integrating GPT-3 into your chatbot interface. B. Reviewing and accepting the terms of service. When signing up for access to the OpenAI API, you will be required to review and accept the terms of service. The terms of service outline the guidelines and restrictions for using the API, and it's important to carefully read and understand these terms before accepting them. Here are some of the key points to look out for when reviewing the terms of service. Usage limits. The terms of service may specify limits on the number of API requests that can be made, as well as any restrictions on the types of requests that can be made. Data privacy. The terms of service will outline how OpenAI handles and protects user data, and what data may be collected and stored through the API. Intellectual property. The terms of service will specify the ownership of any content generated using the API, and the rights and restrictions for using and sharing this content. Liability. The terms of service will outline the liability and responsibilities of both OpenAI and the API user in the event of any issues or disputes. Modifications. The terms of service may allow for OpenAI to modify or update the terms at any time, so it's important to periodically review the terms and stay up to date on any changes. By carefully reviewing and accepting the terms of service, you can ensure that you fully understand your rights and responsibilities when using the OpenAI API and GPT-3. C. Finding your API key in the OpenAI API dashboard. Once you have been approved for access to the OpenAI API, you can find your API key in the OpenAI API dashboard. Here's how. Log into the OpenAI API dashboard. Go to the OpenAI website, https://beta.openai.com, and log into your account. Navigate to the API key section. Once logged in, navigate to the API key section of the dashboard. Find your API key. In the API key section, you will find your unique API key, which is a string of characters used to authenticate your API requests. Note: be sure to keep your API key secure and do not share it with anyone else. Your API key provides access to the OpenAI API and should be treated as confidential information. By following these steps, you can find your API key in the OpenAI API dashboard and use it to integrate GPT-3 into your chatbot interface.